guys, welcome back to my Ramadan vlog. My name is Chinutay. I got an exciting package today and it is H&M home haul. I got some things for my bedroom. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and I'm also gonna put it in my room with you guys and just so we can see if it goes. I'm pretty sure it is. The vibe I'm going for in my room is like a neutral white tone with like wood and a little bit of black. So I'm so excited. I feel like these pieces will pull it all together and I want it to be a very monochromatic room. That's pretty much the vibe of my whole house except for my living room. My living room has a much more cozy feel, a lot more traditional, a lot more cozy, which is how I like my living rooms to be, like very cozy. I want everybody to just feel so super comfortable. My bedroom, I've always wanted it to be very simple, not bright, very like spa-like. So yeah, I got a few pieces that I found would fit my headboard perfectly. I got my headboard from Sueno, I think that's how you say it. Basically, you could put your beds together and I got the bed frame and the headboard from there. Love it so much, so affordable, such good quality beds, and they come into your house, they bring it all the way up to your bedroom and they assemble it for you. So really happy with that. They don't know, I just purchased it like a regular customer and I'm very, very happy with their services. So I'll be reaching out to them and telling them how happy I am and that I shared it with you guys. Maybe I can even try to get some sort of like discount code with them. But anyways, moving on to the haul. I haven't worn my hijab like this in months because I feel like it just cuts off my blood circulation since my face has gotten quite full. But I do miss it, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys want to know what I'm wearing, this oversized t-shirt I got from ASOS, Adidas tights, and then I'm wearing the Voile Chic Aisha collection jersey hijab. I'm just like covered in lint, just don't mind me, but anyways. Ooh, you guys are gonna love this. Oh, I think it goes perfect with my bedroom. Okay, now I remember what I bought. Okay, cool. You guys are gonna love these things. Okay, so the first thing I got is blackout curtains. I hope my walls can handle this. I also got this plant potter, I think that's what you call it, to go with the matte black details that are in my bedroom. And it comes with these really cute legs. There you go. It's like a plant potter. I think that's what they're called. I'll be putting in my fake plant in here because we all know I'm a certified plant killer. I can't keep plants alive to save my life. So, really cute though, matte black. So into matte black right now. Cushion cover beige. This is literally the color of my headboard, like my actual bed frame, which I'm so happy. Ooh, this is really soft. This cushion's massive. What size did I get? 50 times 90. Oh no, I don't have anything to fill this. Where's the label? Oh, this is so soft. I just want to rub my makeup-free face on it. Not this makeup face, but you know. It's a really, really smooth, soft material. I'm going to try to stuff it with as many pillows as I can. Or maybe just buy a 50 to 90 size pillow to stuff this with. Tea towel 2-pack. I got some tea towels, so they come in 2 colors. These 2 colors, so pretty for the kitchen. Maybe if I could show you like a close-up of this material. It's like a satiny sand wash silk. So I got a few pieces that I actually plan on spray painting matte black because I think they're gloss black. I've been looking for really cute little vases for decorative purposes and I found some, but they're all like super expensive. To be honest, they look like every other vase. They're just matte black and matte beige, I think, but they're so expensive. What the heck? I'm not paying so much for this one. H&M has really cute tiny vases that are exactly what I want to put on a shelf for decorative purposes, and they're gloss, so I'll just spray paint them matte black. Oh, this is so cute. Do you see what I mean? So cute, but it's gloss. So what I will do, usually you would probably need to prime this and then spray paint it over with whatever you want to spray paint it with. In my case would be matte black, but I don't have any primer, and to be honest, this really won't be touched, so I think I'll just paint straight over the gloss. Maybe this. Yeah, that's cute. Matte black, do you see it? In this finish. Yes. You see it? I know you do. So I got this one. I got a set. This one is really tiny. Oh my god, this is really tiny. How much did I pay for this? What? I'm gonna spray paint both of these matte black. But what the heck? I think this was like $2.99. I don't think this is worth $2.99 at all. But they go. It's still way cheaper than the matte black that I was finding online. You know, like that Nordic vibe? That like Scandinavian Nordic Very simple, minimal, matte black. Love, love. Comment down below and let me know how many times I've said matte black in this video. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway for the winner. We went to the shops to get essentials. I thought the cats were downstairs. Felipe was actually locked into my office. And when I came back, I opened the office door to do some work and he just comes running out. So I'm like, oh snap, he was locked into this office. There's no litter box. I hope he didn't pee. I come in here the next day and I swear I smell cat pee. I call Amir and he's like, I don't smell anything. And I'm like, babe, it smells like cat pee. I literally have to go, I have the most sensitive smell. Like I can smell something from a mile away. So I was literally just sniffing it and I found out he actually did pee on one of my cushions. And cat pee is like not like regular pee. Like you have to get like this enzyme cleaner. Sometimes it's not even worth keeping. You just throw out whatever they peed on because it is a nightmare and it just has like this nasty smell, especially over time. Oh my god. This is the third piece to my set. Probably my favorite one. So do you see my vision? These spray painted. Cute, right? On like a shelf with lots of greenery on a... Oh, I think it would be so cute. I got a really cute apron to wear for when I do like my IFTARs, which is every vlog, unless I get takeout. I feel like I'm in a really chatty mood today. Like I'm running on like adrenaline and I'm fasting and I'm starving, so I don't know what's going on. It's like this really dark anthracite gray, super cute. I got some really simple cushions to throw on my bed. I want it to be very monochromatic, very simple. I got this rug. I bought it thinking I may return it, but it is actually something that I might really like, so let's open it up. It's just like a nice round rug. If I can't find anywhere to put it, I will probably return it. Last but not least, I bought a rug for my bedroom, but it is a lot darker than I thought. I thought it would be like a nice white. I thought it would be the color that it's like decorated with. What size is this? Yeah, this is a good size. So how pretty is this rug? Oh my god, it's really pretty. I'm looking for a rug to put like right under my feet so when I like get up, because I had a really big rug but I actually moved it to the living room. It's that beige rug that's there. It was just too big. It fit right under the bed but it wasn't doing its purpose as a rug because it was hidden under the bed. So I figured I'd get like tiny little rugs and stick them on the sides of each bed, so when we get up and we like put our feet down, it's like on a cute little rug next to the side table. I think it would look really cute. This one's really cute. And the size is perfect. I didn't want it to be too big because when I vacuum, I don't want to have to like move the rug and like, you know what I mean? I want it to be big enough to just do this. Let's go see how this looks upstairs in my bedroom. Guys, I shattered one of the vases. It's everywhere. I just wanted to show you before I cleaned it. Could you believe that? I swear I gave myself nazar. And you know which one I shattered? The small one. The one that I was like, oh my god, why did I pay $250 for this? Blah, blah, blah. Alhamdulillah, I didn't cut myself though. I'm gonna quickly clean this up and then we'll carry on. Okay guys, let me know what rug you prefer. We got the beige one. Actually, it would be a really cute praying rug. I really like this one. Nice. But the bed's uneven. There you go. That was cute. We just have to get like an anti-rug slider thing. Or this one.
I like that one. The first one.
Yeah? Which one do you guys prefer? I think I do like the long one as well. So this one is beige, and I got two of these ones. They're smaller.
Very nice.
Right?
Cute. Very cute.
Pussy. Aww, thank you, Baba. MashaAllah. Do we think that this one is too warm?
Yeah, I do.
It kind of ruins the vibe, right?
I think it's just a bit too warm.
We'll keep this one because this is the right tone, isn't it? This long one's the right tone.
Yeah, I like that.
And that rug.
I like that rug.
I figured maybe we could find a place for this rug, this small one. No?
Sure.
I think it'll be cute for maybe even Adam's room.
Okay. He's got one, the big one.
Oh, he has.
He's got the sunny one.
Oh, we can unbox that big rug tomorrow. And I can feature it in my vlog. Okay, fine. So no to this and no to the small pillows. Wait, I want to show you something else. This is a cute plot, right? Plant potter. So we decided to keep this rug, keep that long one. The round one just didn't go with the vibe, but everything else looks good. But do you guys see what I was talking about with the neutral tone, like throughout? The color of the wall that's behind my bed is like a nice warm gray. I think we just need a few like wood pieces to complete this room. And then there's like the little details as well. On my bed is framed with these nice bronze rustic buttons. And then the cupboard over there, which also matches these little handles that I have on my pull-out drawers. So I mean, I'm trying to get it all to kind of fall nicely together. We have decided to keep the longer pillowcase, and just 2 smaller ones were just a bit too warm, so we're gonna exchange them for a different color. That's the vibe I'm going with this room. I want it to be like very like spa, clean. Something about like having like an all clean white bedroom is just so soothing. It's just like what I've always wanted. And this bed frame is the bed that I was talking about from Suino. It's really cute. Yeah, it's a very light tone, and I actually had to get samples of them before this came in, before I decided what material I wanted to line it with. But this is a linen bed frame. It just makes me happy. Like, I knew that getting a light color and having children is like the worst idea, but it makes me happy. I wanted a light bed, and I think it looks really nice against the gray. More little pieces are going to be added, and I'll keep you guys posted when I add certain things to it. As of now, let's spray paint the remainder of the vases that haven't broken and finish spray painting the shelf that I did. It used to be a gloss black, but I actually spray painted it a matte black. I don't know where I'm going to use it in the house, but I know that I'm going to want to use it somewhere. And just taking a look at this now and putting all the pieces together, you could kind of see what's missing. So I feel like I want to introduce a little more wood into this room. Like the side table that I have is like a nice mango wood. I wanted to introduce more of that into the room because I feel like it'll just balance out very nicely. So maybe add like a nice mango wood shelf, and then add the spray painted little vases on there. I really wanted to make like a healthier version of chicken and waffles for IFTAR. Like basically I have an air fryer, and I wanted to make like fried chicken on there, but I don't know if it's gonna turn out very good. I don't want to like experiment, you know, when you want IFTAR, you just want to eat something good. So I might just make Manchurian chicken with some white rice. And I always have to have a salad with my dinner, like some sort of veggie or salad. So maybe I'll like roast some vegetables. We'll make like zucchini sticks, breaded zucchini sticks. That sounds yummy. I can also make some hummus. Maybe we'll leave that for tomorrow. So came to the living room, and look at these 2 delicious people. You look so scrumptious in the sofa. Why are you 2 always fighting? Hey, hey, break it up, break it up. I'm pretty sure they're play fighting until one of them hisses. Honestly, they just look like 2 balls of fur. Let's go get it! Let's go get it! Let's go get it! Okay, I was stupidly wearing the mask upside down, and I was wondering why it was feeling so like tight on my nose. I started watching Turtle again.
Oh, again? How come?
Just because I had nothing to watch during Ramadan. Was it good? This is last season the best one. The ending's a bit odd? Disappointing? Is that the end, or is there more seasons coming?
Apparently it continues after that with his son.
That's why they made his son such a big issue. Like, well, the season I'm in, when he walks into the room, they're like, dun dun dun, you know?